request Shri Pratyaya Amrit Ji, Secretary Road Construction Department, to address the audience.
Thank you so much. First and foremost, let me extend a very warm welcome to a state where we worship the setting sun also. I would take this opportunity to congratulate IT department for this wonderful initiative and for giving us this opportunity to interact with you all. Already Chanchal has briefed about the initiatives. I'll be very brief. I'll start with the PPP, Public-Private Partnership, in 2004 and 5. In Bihar, the roads of Bihar were a subject of ridicule. We could not distinguish between a pothole and a road. And I remember, Chanchal would agree with me, that when we were the district magistrates and during elections, since elections are going to be held very soon, when we used to get observers from outside state, we used to tell them not the distance, but the hours, the time. We never used to tell them that it's 10 kilometers away. We used to tell them it will take you 1 hour, it will take you 45 minutes. Traveling from Patna to a place like Nalanda, Patna to Sitamarhi, unthinkable. 6 months you could not reach Sitamarhi because a bridge called Katonja was pending for last 13 years. With this background, it's very important. And today, in 2014, we are participating in a seminar of this kind. It gives me personally immense pleasure to tell you now that today the roads of Bihar are being talked about not only nationally but even internationally. We started this journey in 2006, and with all humility, let me tell you, I still feel we have just begun, because this is one area where you have to keep learning. In this last 6-7 years, we have constructed more than 19,000 kilometers of roads. And today, with full confidence and authority at my command, I can tell you, from any distant corner of Bihar, you can reach Patna in less than 6 hours. The condition of the national highways, some of them are bad. Bihar perhaps is the only state which had used its resources, something like 969 crores for maintenance and upgradation of national highways, unheard of anywhere else in the country. We have not been reimbursed that amount, and thanks to that, now we are not spending our money on NH, and therefore we are having some problems in maintenance of some of the national highways. Although we have not given up, we are constantly following it up with the Government of India. Nalanda is one destination where all the roads in Nalanda, we have sanctioned more than 350 kilometers if you add, and almost all the major roads to Nalanda and within Nalanda and to Rajgir are all 2-lane or 4-lane, and all of them have been provided with bypasses. As Chanchal was mentioning, with the kind of activities going on in Rajgir and Nalanda, we have given utmost importance to that area, and our goal is only one, that another 2 years from now, you should be in a position to reach Nalanda in less than 2 hours of time. I have been told that Beta is another area, destination, where investors are thinking in terms of moving in. Beta, all the issues related to road, we have already prioritized it. It's right on our action plan, agenda. And a state where there were no roads in 2004, In public-private partnership alone, we have investment of more than 3,000 crores. We are having a greenfield project, Tajpur Bakhtiarpur, being constructed over River Ganges. It's a 5.5 kilometer bridge with 40 kilometer approach road. We are having the Ara Mohania National Highway, 100 kilometer. That's on a PPP, the work is going on. And the third one is Jharkhand border, Rajouri to Bakhtiarpur, which is going to touch Bihar Sharif, and definitely Rajgir is very close by from there. So we have graduated to a stage where we are thinking in terms of PPP. We have, first of its kind in the entire country, we have formulated a new road maintenance policy. The essence being, the contractor who is going to construct the road has to maintain the road for 7 years, and we have defined the objective criteria. We have defined if a pothole is there, the time frame has been defined. He has to do that work. Originally, it was more of output-based maintenance policy. In a sense, when the roads used to, after monsoon, we used to make estimates, our engineers used to make, then we used to go for tender, and then the contractor used to construct it, build it. But more often than not, he used to tell that since these items are not in your estimate, I cannot do these works. Now it's input based. The contractor has to see the road and he has to quote. And we have introduced road ambulances, again first of its kind in the country. Why we call it road ambulance is that these vehicles are specially equipped vehicles, everything to do with immediate road maintenance, it's very much there. And on top of that, we have put 2 stretchers in case they come across any accident, the victims can be rushed to the nearest hospital. All these things are first of its kind. Electronic tendering. Bihar roads and the tenders were subject of a lot of these movie shows. A lot of scenes used to be shown about how tender boxes are being lifted by the goons. E-tendering is mandatory in Bihar, 10 lakhs and above in all engineering department. In Bihar Bridge Construction Corporation, we have been using softwares, mobile inspector software. We are using Android technologies in monitoring of our roads. So all I can tell you and assure you people that thanks to the young population which Bihar has, I'm sure the future of IT destination is certainly in this area. And I as Road Secretary, we have a clear-cut road map ahead of us. And as I said, we have just begun. But I can assure you, all these places, Nalanda, Beta and other parts of Bihar, you can travel safely, freely, and our destination is to reduce this time from 6 hours to 5 hours, which I'm sure we will do it within a year or two. Thank you so much.